It's not the will to win, but it's the preparation to win that makes all the difference. To me, tennis is a metaphor for real estate. I approach my business the way I would approach a match. Gaming out potential outcomes, being aware of elements outside of my control, tapping into a coach's experience, and observing trends. If you play a sport long enough, strategy becomes intuitive. Following this approach allows me to meet my clients' needs and exceed their expectations in a real estate transaction. I'm able to help them through their questions and any hurdles they need to cross towards longer-term investing. We don't take any real estate transaction lightly. Our team is committed to the home buying, selling, and investing process. Referrals make up over 80% of our business, and that can be attributed to giving our clients the best in customer care they've ever received. People, our clients, they expect to be seen, heard, and understood. We walk through what their goals are and how to help them achieve them. One thing you can count on in real estate is change. Change in the market and change in demand. I've been in real estate for 20 years. I've learned to navigate that change, and I have the experience to get my clients to the finish line. I'm Elizabeth Lucchesi with the Liz Luke team.